Hey everyone, welcome back to English in 5 minutes. I'm Jane, and today we are diving into a topic that can make even the most experienced professionals feel a little sweaty: delivering a project presentation. Standing in front of a meeting room, locking eyes with your boss, or pitching a brand new idea to a very important client can feel highly intimidating, especially when you have to do it all in English. But don't worry at all. In just 5 minutes, I am going to teach you the most useful, simple, and powerful English phrases to structure your presentation, highlight your main points, and impress everyone in the room with total confidence. Grab your notebook, and let's start our presentation together. The absolute most important part of any presentation happens in the first 30 seconds, because that is exactly when you need to capture your audience's attention and state your purpose clearly. To open your presentation professionally, you don't need complicated vocabulary, you just need to welcome the room and introduce yourself. A fantastic and standard way to start is by saying, "Good morning everyone, thank you for being here today. My name is Jane, and today I am excited to share our new project proposal with you." Right after that, you can connect your thoughts smoothly by stating the main goal using the phrase, "The main purpose of today's presentation is to." For example, you could say, "The main purpose of today's presentation is to show you how our new app can increase customer engagement." This immediately tells your boss and clients exactly why they should listen to you. Once you have set the stage, it is time to move into the core body of your presentation, where you will guide your audience through different ideas or look at specific charts and numbers. To make your presentation easy to follow, you must use clear transition words so people don't get lost. When you want to move to a new slide, you can naturally say, "Now, let's move on to the next point, which is our marketing strategy." If you need to point out an important chart or a specific statistic on the screen, a very common and professional phrase to use is, "As you can see from this chart, our sales have grown significantly this quarter." This simple structure instantly draws everyone's eyes directly to your data and makes your argument look highly credible and well prepared. After sharing all your brilliant ideas and data, you will arrive at the most interactive and sometimes unpredictable part of the meeting, the question and answer session, also known as the Q&A. Many English learners dread this moment, but you can handle it beautifully with the right phrases. To invite your boss or clients to speak, you can smile and say, "That brings me to the end of my presentation. I would be happy to take any questions you may have now." If someone asks a great question, always thank them first by saying, "Thank you, that's an excellent question." If you don't know the answer immediately, don't panic or stay silent. You can politely buy some time by saying, "That's an interesting point. Let me check the exact data and get back to you by email this afternoon." This sounds incredibly professional and honest. Finally, once all the questions have been answered and the discussion slows down, it is time to wrap up the meeting and make a polite exit that leaves a strong, positive lasting impression. You can close the presentation by summarizing the next steps and thanking your audience one last time for their valuable time. You can say, "To wrap up, I believe this project is a fantastic opportunity for our company, and I look forward to our next steps together." To finish up perfectly, you can smile, look at everyone, and say, "Thank you so much for your time and attention today, have a wonderful rest of your day." Just like that, you have successfully delivered a high-stakes business presentation entirely in perfect English. See? Presenting your projects and ideas in English is completely simple and achievable when you follow these easy steps and structures. Let's do a very quick recap of our essential phrases today. Use "the main purpose of today's presentation is to." To start, "As you can see from this chart." To show data, and "I would be happy to take any questions for the Q&A." Now, It's your turn to practice and build your professional confidence. What is the topic of your very next presentation? Tell me in the comments below using one of the structures we learned today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English in 5 minutes for more quick, practical career lessons. Thanks for watching, good luck with your business pitches, and I'll see you next time.